Welcome to Mercy College of Health Sciences. I'm Carrie Stripling, an academic advisor and tutor coordinator in Mercy College's Student Success Center. The Student Success Center offers academic and personal counseling and tutoring to help with a wide range of issues, including studying and writing. I work with students to pair them with the resources they need to be successful in their courses, their careers, and in their personal lives. Tutoring is a free and unlimited service available to all Mercy College students. If you've been out of school for 1 year, 5 years, or 10 years, our tutors can work with you in all aspects of studying, preparing for exams, and writing. Tutoring is not only for the struggling student, but also for those who want to dive a little deeper and improve their skills. Your instructors may require you to work with a tutor for at least one writing assignment, or you may be referred to the Student Success Center to work with a tutor when you need help. Either way, please be sure to take advantage of this free and unlimited service. Mercy College also offers online tutoring through Smart Thinking. To access this service, log into your D2L account and click on the online tutoring icon. Once you log in, you can start working with a tutor on demand, schedule a future session, submit an assignment for review, or explore the study aids that are available 24/7. A full list of our tutors can be found on the Mercy College website under the Student Success Center resources. There you'll also find tutor biographies to get to know our tutors a little better and to find one with the expertise you need. Our writing tutors provide feedback on written assignments and can help you with anything from grammar to APA formatting. They know how to master scholarly writing and can teach you what you need to know too. Our 3 expert writing tutors, Sue, Carl, and Haley, are helpful, knowledgeable, and happy to work with you no matter your writing level. To get in contact with one of them, send an email with a current draft of your writing assignment. Allow 24 hours for a response and up to 72 hours for a full review of your assignment. Our tutors may want to work with you through Microsoft Teams or Zoom to discuss the rationale behind their corrections and recommendations, or they may provide you with written feedback through email or write in your draft. If you've been out of the educational setting for a while, it can be difficult to adjust to the demands of pursuing a degree. I recommend you keep a schedule for each day, week, and semester to help you juggle your many student responsibilities. If you're not sure where to start with time management or keeping a schedule, ask a tutor. If you have any questions about tutoring or other support services that are available, be sure to contact your instructor or your academic advisor. The Student Success Center is here to support you, and we want to wish you the best of luck in your studies.